welcome back to my channel. It's me, Demmmmmmmi. Today I'm back with another hijab tutorial during Ramadan. If you're watching this video when it drops or around the time when it drops, it is Ramadan, so this is a part of the VLOGMADAN series. But if you're not watching this during Ramadan, then it's still a hijab tutorial. You can watch this anytime. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to be homegirls with me. You know you want to be homegirls. How many Muslim homegirls do you have? Not enough. Subscribe to my channel so we can be homegirls, okay? So today I have a hijab tutorial for you guys. You guys are loving my other hijab tutorial, so I'm like, let me give y'all an encore. Like, the people deserve more. The people want more. So let's get into it, honey. So the first two styles I'm going to show you guys are for the people who are new to the hijabi world. Maybe you just started wearing your hijab. Maybe you want to start wearing your hijab. Maybe you're not too comfortable with wrapping it yourself. Maybe you're not too comfortable with wearing it at all. So I have the perfect two styles for you guys if you are new Muslims and this is all brand new to you. So you want to get your hijab. We got our hijab. I recommend these hijabs for beginners. These are chiffon, but they're not soft chiffon. They're a little bit more texture, so it's not going to be slipping around on your head. Another great way to keep your khimar, shayla, scarf from slipping off your head is to buy a wig cap. This is actually just another scarf, like on the back of my head, just so you can't see my hair while I'm doing the tutorial. Great thing to put underneath your scarf that's thin is a freaking wig cap, and it comes in different colors, so you can get black, brown, tan, neutral, all those kind of things. But this is how you wrap it. So you put your scarf on your head like this, and we're not going to use any pins. We're not going to make a fuss. We're not going to be complicated today, okay? We're going to get a magnet. Yes, magnet, girl. We're not going to put no holes in our scarf. We're not going to overcomplicate ourselves. These joints are super magnetic, so like they're really strong. They're really strong, so you don't have to worry about your scarf moving all about the day. So you want to just position your scarf however you see fit. For me personally, I like to put mine right on the eyebrows. Like, look how cute I look. I like to put mine right on the eyebrows. And you want to have two equal sides, or you can have one shorter than the other. It really does not matter. You want to take your magnet, hold it like this, one in one hand, of course, and then put it under your neck. And then the cool thing about this is you can put this, slide it up or down. So if you want it tighter, you slide it. Oh, hold on. So if you want it tighter, you slide it up. So now you just fix it on your head and then take either side and just boop. Now you're done. This is a perfect way, quick and easy and perfect. It was perfect, okay? It's perfect. Now I'm gonna show you guys this same style with a different scarf. So for beginners, especially if it's cooler where you are, I haven't tested out this material in the summertime yet because I just really got hip to jersey, but this is jersey and it's basically like t-shirt material. It's cotton. And these are super easy to wrap. They lay easily. Like, these are perfect beginner scarves. I wish I had someone tell me about these jersey scarves when I was first starting out my journey. Like, this is why I made this channel, to be your Muslim homegirl, so I could put y'all on to game, okay? So make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can keep putting y'all on. So you want to just sit it on your head. And this one actually doesn't need anything at all, but you can still do the same thing that I just told you. Something on my scarf, but just disregard that. You can still put the pin like that, and you can still just wrap it. And this material don't really need anything. Like, you can just, let me show y'all. You could just do that same thing like this, and then you could just take it around and it's gonna stay. Let me just put it underneath my bun. And it's still gonna stay. Like, you don't need nothing. Like, this material is good. This material is really good. I love me a jersey hijab, okay? Now for the next style, it's for my girls that's kinda want to start covering their head but don't really like to cover their head, or kind of skeptical or want to just ease their way into it. One thing about starting your Islamic journey is that it's your journey. Don't let anybody shame you for doing this or that or not doing this or that. I mean, yes, have some shame when it comes to the proper way of practicing, but take baby steps. Like, take your time. Don't let nobody force you into doing everything at one time, because that'll definitely deter you. But you want to take your scarf. This is for people who maybe don't want to cover their neck, or just want to start with just practicing covering their head. Like, maybe you're not even Muslim yet, but you just want to practice covering your head. So you could put this on your head like this. You could get your magnets again and put it to the back. Put it to the back. Back it up, back it up, back it up. And you want to take your magnets. We got our magnets, and you want to put these two sides together. You want to take these two edges and put them together underneath your ears, or on top of your ears if you want to show your ears, but let's at least cover our ears, sister. Put the ears and just put the two magnets together, and now you are covered. And now you have a side ponytail. And you got inches, honey. You got some inches. Now you got a side ponytail. And this way is actually mad cute. Like, I actually really like this. Like, if y'all see me with this style, no, I'm not closer to taking off my hijab. I just actually don't like the scarf tied around my face, because I feel like it makes my face look super fat. And it gives me a double chin. Not saying that there's something wrong with a double chin, but I don't like that. But also, if you don't like it around your face like that, you can take it. You can take your side pony. You see our side pony right here? Take your side pony, throw it to the back. I just popped off the magnets. The magnets are really strong though. It's just because I was pulling on it. But take your magnets again and cover your ears. Put it like that. Bring all your hair to the front, all your hair to the front. And now we have this situation. Hold on now, you want to just fix it. We have this situation. And now you could just cover your neck like that. So now your neck is still covered. I mean, it's not fully covered because you got some exposure right here, but it's more covered than it was with the side pony. And you still have some chest action, and it's not tight around your face. And this way is also perfect if you wear glasses. So I got my glasses here, and I can just put them on. I don't have to worry about it being too tight, it hurting my face feeling squished. Like, this is perfect for glasses. On to the next style, y'all. This next way is personally how I wear my hijab. So I put it on my head like this, and I make one side longer than the other. So this side is going to be all the way over here. So short. Like, look how short this is, and look how long this is. The side that you're going to be wrapping, you want that side to be the extra long side. So you want to place it on your head however you like, and then you want to cross your hands like this and start at the top of your face and slide your hands down while making it tighter, and crisscross applesauce, sliding your head down and bringing it to the top of your head. You want to make sure it's at the top of your head so it doesn't fall down. So you want to take your other hand, bring it over, and boop. When you flip it, make sure you say boop. You want to just come across to the other side, and for this style, you're like bringing it to the front. And then you're going to take your stick pin and thread it. And now you can take this and bring it to the back. Maybe I should have showed y'all this in a scarf that wasn't black, just so y'all can see it better. But now you have some action in the front. Like, this is my side ponytail. Y'all saw in the beginning of the video. This is my side ponytail. And you can definitely use a pin that doesn't have something big like this on it. And you can straighten this out, because I'm looking a little crazy. Okay, so this is the final look. I got my side pony action right here. And this is me. So now let me show you guys another style. This style was actually trending a lot last year, last summer, 2021. You want to just put your scarf on your head like this, make both sides even, and then you want to get your satin or silk scarf. It's most likely going to be a square. So this is a square. I can't see it, but it's a square. So just fold it over to make a triangle. Okay, got a nice triangle there. And then we're gonna just put this on top of our heads like so. Like so, however you want it. And then we're gonna tie it in the back. And now you have a cute little bandana style. You can fix it however you like. However you like. I've never worn my scarf like this before, but this is how the TikTok girls wear it. And some Instagram girls wear it like this. And now you have a cute little style. I mean, it is cute. I don't know why it's like curled right here, but it's probably because I need to iron the scarf. But I got some curls. And then you can flip it over if you want. I mean, this style works best if, you know, the satin scarf has like some design on it. So maybe you're trying to be stylish, but I think it's cute. What y'all think? Would y'all wear y'all scarf like this? Like I said, this is for the Instagram girls, the TikTok girls, the baddie hijabs. They wear their scarf like this, and it's required no pins, no magnets, no nothing. Okay, so the last style that I have for you guys, we're gonna be just like going with the flow. We're gonna make one side longer than the other. Okay, then we're gonna take this and we're gonna be using a magnet. We're not gonna be using pins, we're gonna be using the magnet. And they definitely have smaller magnets out in the world aside from these. I'm gonna put some magnets in the description box just so you guys can check out some magnets. This particular magnet I got from Shams Abayas. I'm the store manager there. It's a Islamic clothing store. We sell abayas, hijabs, all that jazzy stuff. These are not online yet, but if you really want them, these are $6 or 2 for $10. You can shoot me an email at demmyporter17@gmail.com, and I can send you a custom invoice for them and we can ship them to you. But you can find magnets anywhere. You don't have to have our magnets specifically. You want to take this part, and this is for the girls that don't like tight wrappings around their neck. You want to take this part and like put it somewhere over here. Somewhere over here. Okay, so I'm gonna get your magnet and put this, like, put it in your hand like this and just slide it down and put it up here somewhere. I mean, you can use a pin with this too, but like I said, they do have smaller magnets available, so you don't have to use this big gigantic magnet. But you want to put the other magnet right there like that. And now you have some coverage right here. Oh, you gotta have it on an undercap. You gotta have on an undercap with this style because it's not gonna be like super flat on your head. But actually, this is cute just like this. Like, this actually look kind of cute. I was gonna say, take this and just drape it over as well. And now you have something super elegant, something super modest. And you can fix it around your face how you like. I mean, you can tuck it like this so that it's more flat and your undercap isn't showing that much. But this is like super elegant, super modest, and cute. Absolutely cute. And the magnet isn't that noticeable, but this magnet is big, like I said, so it kind of looks like a boil on the side of your head. You can also use a safety pin and stick it right there. There are such thing as no snag magnets, so they won't get caught up in your hijab. I'm gonna put a link in the description box for those as well. But that was my hijab tutorial. I hope you guys will love this tutorial as much as you guys love the last hijab tutorial. Show me that love from that last hijab tutorial on this tutorial. That video almost has 10,000 views. That's my most popular video on my channel right now. So y'all know I'm gonna leave it in the description box. If you haven't seen it already, check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Y'all know y'all want to be connected. Don't y'all want to stay connected? The only way you can stay connected is if you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a beat. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.